Hello, you guys. So this is a video just showing some of the medicines at Walmart and the prices. Y'all know it's about that time to stock up on your medicines for the 2024-2025 winter season. So we have our Halls, $2.48. Y'all know Halls is always that cold, cough and throat relief. Okay, y'all, a favorite that I definitely keep in the cabinet you need for your chest. Y'all know that Vicks Vapor Rub. That Vicks Vapor Rub helps you every time. Here is the NyQuil Kids. It's $9.97. Okay, y'all, they have NyQuil Adults, Dayquil and NyQuil, $19.97. The Elderberry Cold and Flu comes in a 2-pack. Have your emergency, $15.98. Y'all, they have the vitamin C for $8.88 for the Spring Valley. Okay, y'all, they have the Vapor Cools, Vicks, Cough Drops, mhm, cherry, lemon, winter frost. Hey guys, have our Deslim, children's, 11.47, adults, 14.97. Y'all just go walk down the aisle. You guys can see the prices. Motrin is a good one I love for the kids. Motrin, that's a good one. You guys know Advil and Tylenol are always good. Alka-Seltzer is good for the winter time. Aleve is good for the winter time. Your Mucinex. Look at that Ricola. Y'all know Ricola. It's a good brand. Pedialyte for the children. Okay, guys, they do have humidifiers at Walmart for $29.97 if you need a humidifier. The brand is Equat. The chopsticks and Carmex, Blistex. Deserves it. Okay, you guys, I'm going to end this video. I thank you guys for watching. I'm just showing you guys some of the medicines that you need to get because the winter is approaching. Hope you guys fill your cabinets up with medicine.